Jungle Animals. Children, this is the third poem in the course book, and now we will do the workbook part for this poem. The poem's name is Jungle Animals. The first section here is Nurture Your Mind. A. Tick the correct answer. Here we have sentences which are incomplete with a blank in them. We have to fill in these blanks by choosing the correct option from the given options. 1. Monkeys can jump and dash. The options are 1. Live on trees, 2. Climb trees, 3. Grow trees. Here the correct answer is climb trees. So we will put a tick mark for climb trees. Monkeys can jump and climb trees. 2. Parrots are colorful and dash. The options here are they can fly, they can walk, they can swim. Here the correct answer is they can fly. We will put a tick mark for this option. Parrots are colorful and they can fly. Now we will do the third one. 3. Hippos are big and dash. The options here are see at night, eat at night, snore at night. The correct answer for this is snore at night. We will put a tick mark for the third option here. Hippos are big and snore at night. 4. Dash and they can swim. The options here are turtles are green, turtles are yellow, sparrows are green. Here the correct answer is turtles are green. We will put a tick mark for this option. Turtles are green and they can swim. This is about the first bit. Tick the correct answer. We have completed 4 fill in the blanks here. Now we will move to the next bit. B. Match the words that have the same pronunciation. Here we have 2 columns with different words in each column. We have to match these words with the word which have same pronunciation in this column. The words given here are seen, right, leave, week, new. And the words here are live, week, new, seen, right. If you can observe, the spellings are different of these words, but they sound same. 1. Seen. We will match this word with the same pronunciation word which is seen. But the spelling is here is different. S-E-E-N seen. S-C-E-N-E seen. 2. Right. R-I-G-H-T right. And here this word is also right, but the spelling is different. W-R-I-T-E right. Both these words are pronounced same. So we will match these 2 words. Right, right. If you observe, the spelling is different here, but we pronounce them as same. 3. Leave. Here leave. Spelling is different. L-E-A-V-E leave. L-I-V-E leave. So these are the same pronunciation words. We will match them. 4. Week. W-E-A-K week. And here we have week. W-E-E-K week. These 2 words have different spelling, but they are pronounced same. We will match these 2 words. Week, week. 5. New. N-E-W, new. K-N-E-W, new. The spelling is different but the pronunciation is same. So we will match these two words. Children, we have matched the words that have the same pronunciation. Seen, seen. Right, right. Leave, live. Week, week. New, new. So this is about the B bit in Nurture Your Mind. Next we will move to the next bit. C. Add a letter to each word from the star to make the name of an animal. Here we have few words in this star. Here we have few letters in this star. And here we are given pictures of some animals and a bird. Now the names of these animals and the bird are incomplete. We have to select the correct letter from this star and write the correct letter here to form the correct name of this bird and the animals. If you can identify these pictures, let's check them. This is a goat. So the spelling for goat will be -OAT is given. So the letter missing here is G. G-O-A-T, goat. So we will take this G and we will write this G here, G-O-A-T, goat. 2. This is 2 picture and this is a bear. -EAR is given. So the letter missing here is B. B-E-A-R. So we have taken B from this star and written here. B-E-A-R, bear. 3. This is a fox and -OX is given. The missing letter here is F. We will write here F. F-O-X, fox. 4. -AT. And here the picture is of a rat. The letter missing here is R. We will write R here and form the correct word R-A-T, rat. 5. This is a picture of a lion. And here the word given is -ION. And letter missing is L. So we will write here L-I-O-N, lion. 6. -ARROT. And this is a parrot. So the letter here missing is P. We will write here P and form the complete word PARROT, parrot. GOAT, goat. BEAR, bear. FOX, fox. RAT, rat. LION, lion. PARROT, parrot. So we have taken the letters from this star and completed the names of these animals and the bird. This is about the C bit. Now we will move to the next bit. D. Complete the sentences about the tiger. You can use words from the box. Here this is a box and we are given some words in the box. And these are the sentences about the tiger. We have to select the correct word from this box and fill in these blanks to form the sentence. The words given in the box are jungle, roars, big, wild, stripes. And the sentences are, let's do the first one. The tiger is a dash animal. Here the correct word is wild. We will write here wild. The tiger is a wild animal. 2. It has dash on its body. The correct word here is stripes. We will write here stripes. It has stripes on its body. 3. It is dash and strong. And the correct word is big. We will write here big. It is big and strong. 4. It dash loudly. And the answer in this blank is roars. We will write here roars. It roars loudly. Here it means the tiger. 5. It lives in the dash. And the answer here is jungle. We will write here jungle. It lives in the jungle. So now we have completed the blanks here. We will read the sentences. The tiger is a wild animal. It has stripes on its body. It is big and strong. It roars loudly. It lives in the jungle. So this is about the tiger. Now let's move to the next bit. E. Help the lion to reach his den. Yes, here you can see the lion and here we see a den. Now we will see that this lion reaches its den. You should find a way for the lion from this puzzle to reach the den. Now see how does the correct path of the lion to reach the den. This is the correct path of the lion to reach the den. Yes, it has reached the den. Now, let's see again how it reaches the den and what is the correct path. This is the correct path for the lion to reach the den. The lion has reached its den. This is about the E bit. Now we will move to the next bit. F. Color the bird. What is the name of this bird? Do you know which is the national bird of India? Children, here we are given a picture, and this picture is that of a bird. Now if you color this bird, it looks beautiful. So you can color this bird with your favorite colors. I colored this bird and it looks like this. And this is a peacock. So what is the name of this bird? Yes, peacock is the name of this bird. Do you know which is the national bird of India? Children, do you know the national bird of India? Yes, peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is the national bird of India.